Experience gaming like never before with the Nintendo Switch OLED model featuring a vivid 7-inch OLED screen for stunning visuals. Enjoy multiplayer gaming with friends and family with local co-op, online play, and local wireless multiplayer options. Store your favorite games and content with ease using the 64GB internal storage, with enhanced audio in handheld and tabletop modes for an immersive experience. Set up your gaming console anywhere with the wide adjustable stand that provides stability and comfort during gameplay sessions. Upgrade your gaming experience with the Nintendo Switch OLED model's white Joy-Con controllers, offering style and functionality in one package.
Nintendo Switch Lite is arguably the most intriguing version of the Nintendo Switch. It possesses the same processing power as its more expensive and capable siblings, but Nintendo has designed it in such a way that it stands out as the best option for handheld console play. The Switch Lite is significantly lighter than the regular Switch or Switch OLED, and the controls are integrated into the console body instead of being detachable Joy-Cons. The result feels more like a successor to the Nintendo 3DS than the Nintendo Wii U, and it succeeds in this role. You receive all the enjoyment of the Nintendo Switch in a smaller, more portable form factor. It lacks the ability to dock to the TV, like the regular Switch and Switch OLED, but it is not designed as a hybrid. It is solely a handheld device. It is also excellent for children, who can play it in the car on long trips without experiencing fatigue.
Subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the produced video by EarnHub Studio. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the